Hey there, in the last video I talked about how to disconnect yourself from the negative and connect to the positive within you. This is the third video in the series called Daily Thought Series. When you have asked yourself, what am I thinking right now? You felt and understood the emotions lingering in the subconscious unnoticed by you until you finally have asked yourself the magic question. You ask this to yourself to bring back your presence and attention back to your own mind. Unperturbed by the external influences, you enter a very balanced state of mind. Now, why do you want this balanced state of mind? We have taken some critical decisions so far in our life, such as the job offer that we accepted over others, the diet plan that we felt we should follow to make ourselves healthier, or maybe as small as what Netflix show we should watch next. These decisions did not seem all that big in the first place, but as we moved through them, we gained some invaluable experiences. But other times when we felt like we should do one thing but ended up doing something else, just because our fear-based mindset interrupted, and then we did not have a good experience and regretted not sticking to the original decision itself. It is very common and we are all guilty of this. Now you can avoid doing this. Yes, you can. All you have to do is calm your mind and listen to yourself. Easy said than done, of course. There is a voice that speaks out in this balanced mindset. You have heard people saying that they have a gut feeling that they should do something. It is very real. We all have that. Don't you want to make as many right choices as you can? I know you do. All the cool guys and girls are doing this. Some of them have been great leaders or someone we can rely on that they will guide us through the rough times. So I do suggest to have a balanced mind. If you have liked this video, do consider liking and sharing this video so that YouTube algorithm suggests this video to others who may enjoy these videos as you have. Subscribing channels won't cost you anything on YouTube, but it will mean everything to me. So please hit the subscribe button and stay connected to my channel, for there will be great content waiting for you. If you have suggestions for my channel, you can comment below. I'll see you in the next one.